Hi, this is Angie. Now let's learn how to create custom PDF documents that you can send directly to your clients. This is one of my favorite features because it makes your service look super polished and professional. You can generate all kinds of helpful documents like emergency contact lists for wedding vendors, timeline worksheets, shot lists, pre-event questionnaires, or anything else you might need to send your client before the big day. To get started, go to the Document Generator tab. You'll see a few columns here. Let me explain how they work. On row 3, under the Client column, type the row number where your client is located in the Event Bookings tab. For example, if your client is on row 2, then type 2. Under Document Request, you'll write a prompt. This is what the AI will use to generate the content of the document. If you scroll to the bottom of the tab, I've already added some example prompts to help you get started. You can use one of those or write your own from scratch. The more specific and clear your prompt is, the better the result. For example, you might want to create a wedding vendor emergency contact sheet. You can choose to generate a blank version that the client fills out, or a pre-filled version if you already have vendor details. You can even include timelines for communication. Once your prompt is ready, go to the menu, click on Photography System, then choose Generate Document. Give it a few seconds. The system will create the content and place it in the spreadsheet for you. Now take a look at what was generated. If you need to make small edits, you can do them right there in the cell. But if you want to reformat things, change layout or bullet points, it's best to copy the content into Word, make your changes there, and then paste it back into the spreadsheet when you're done. Important, keep in mind that the PDF formatting is very basic. It will not retain font styles like bold, italics, colors, or font changes. What you see in the spreadsheet is what will show in the PDF. Capital letters will display, but that's about it. So don't worry too much about formatting here. Focus on the content. Once everything looks good, go back to the menu, click on Photography System, and select Send Document to Client. That's it. The client will receive a clean PDF file based on what you created. Bonus tips. If you create a document and want to reuse it for another client later on, you don't need to regenerate it. Just edit the content, change the row number to the new client, and send it again. You can also copy your favorite documents to the bottom of the sheet, or even create a new tab to store reusable templates, so you don't have to recreate them or use AI credits again. This feature gives you a lot of flexibility and helps streamline your communication. Play around with it, improve your prompts, and build a library of documents that you can send with just a few clicks. Let me know if you need help coming up with ideas or prompts. I'm here for that. Now let's move on to the next section.